After assuming power for the third time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Varanasi, Kashi today, his Lok Sabha constituency that elected him as the MP for the third time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the Kisan Samman Sammelan. He will also be visiting Kashi Vishwanath Temple. He will participate in the Ganga Aarti also. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is seen with him. Also, UP Governor Anandiben Patel, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Minister for Rural Development and Agriculture is also with him. Prime Minister is all set to focus on farmers' welfare. In fact, he will be releasing the 17th installment of about 20,000 crore of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, the government's flagship farmer welfare program, and he will also be interacting with women who are engaged in several self-help groups across his Lok Sabha constituency. My colleague Tanishq is reporting from ground there. He's live there. Tanishq, tell us what is the sentiment on ground, and has the Prime Minister arrived, and when is he expected to speak?
Yes, of course, Vasudha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived. I would like to show you, and it is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the newly elected Agriculture Minister here, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, both the Deputy CMs of Uttar Pradesh, and BJP President, UP BJP President Bhupendra Chaudhary. You can see over them, Shivraj Singh Chauhan addressing people of Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is sitting there along with CM Yogi Adityanath and all the other tall BJP leaders. But again, I would like to speak to people here, supporters of the BJP workers. आपका नाम?
संजय सिंह।
संजय जी, इधर आ जाइए आप थोड़ा सा। बनारस के ही रहने वाले हैं?
जी।
क्या विकास हुआ है पिछले 5 साल में? आने वाले 5 साल में क्या उम्मीद है?
पिछले 5 सालों में बनारस का विकास, सुंदरीकरण सारे घाटों का हुआ, विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर का निर्माण हुआ, नमो घाट हुआ, रिंग रोड बने, और ये जो है हरुआ का फ्लाईओवर बना, और एक चौबेपुर की तरफ फ्लाईओवर बना।
तो आने वाले 5 साल में क्या उम्मीद है?
आने वाले 5 साल में ये हमारा स्टेडियम बन रहा है पास में ही, जो अधूरी है ये पूरा होगी।
इस बार मार्जिन कम रह गया जीत का थोड़ा सा।
ये सब झूठ बोले थे ना, वो आरक्षण का झूठ बोले, 1-1 लाख रुपया खटाखट वाला, जनता को गुमराह कर दिए हैं। 5 साल में जनता जान जाएगी सबकी हकीकत। आने वाले समय में इन लोगों का बहुत बुरा हाल होने वाला है। इन लोगों का गठबंधन चलेगा नहीं, खटाखट टूटेगा।
खटाखट टूटेगा आप बोल रहे हैं। हर बार प्रधानमंत्री आते हैं तो जब भी जीतते हैं यहाँ पर आते हैं, इस बार भी आए, क्या कहना चाहिए?
आए हैं, जीत करके आए हैं यहाँ पर जनता से मिलने के लिए। पहली बार है, उनका स्वागत किया जा रहा है, अभिनंदन किया जा रहा है, इसीलिए इतनी भीड़ आई हुई है।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने की। So Vasudha, of course, these were the BJP workers, and I would like to show you the people that have gathered here. They've come people of Varanasi have come here in the Kisan Samman Sammelan. Of course, a very important visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He, here in this Kisan Samman Sammelan, you will, of course, there will be more than 9 crore farmers that will receive the benefits of around 20,000 crore. And as you mentioned, it is one of the flagship schemes by the BJP government for the farmers. And now, till now, more than 3 lakh crores have already been distributed to more than 11 crore farmers across the nation. And this is the 7th installment that will be transferred to the beneficiaries since its inception, making it a total of 3.24 lakh crores. Prime Minister Narendra Modi over there right now, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is speaking, and from here Prime Minister Narendra Modi will move to the ghat for the Aarti, and from there to Kashi Vishwanath Temple.
Tanishq, also tell us, what does this mean for the party? How is the party preparing for this? Because I think, this is a clear signal to not just Purvanchal, but for the state of UP, where the party faced a setback of sorts. It had 62 seats last time, and before that it had 71 seats. To be down to 30s, is this, of course, a big setback for the party? This is this is a state where the BJP was expecting to maximize its seats, especially after the Ram Temple. So, Prime Minister visiting Varanasi, which is the central part of, which is in fact the center of Purvanchal. Tell us, what is the larger political messaging there for the BJP?
Well, of course, the decision, if we look at the exit polls, it was giving a sort of status quo, what happened in 2019, a sort of similar similar number of seats for the BJP, but the result that came was entirely different, as you said. Now, when the result came and the BJP suffered a setback, of course, there were meetings within the UP BJP cadre. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also held a couple of meetings, and from now onwards, the first focus will be, because this will have a straight impact on the 2027 UP Assembly polls. Now, Rahul Gandhi also deciding to remain a member of parliament from Raebareli. Akhilesh Yadav also here. So, the Modi-Yogi Jodi will have to counter the UP ke ladke here in Uttar Pradesh. So, of course, the very first priority for the BJP will be the 2027 UP Assembly polls. Now, one, of course, apart from the different, according to political experts, the reasons why BJP suffered a setback were many, and one of them was, of course, the disenchantment of the farmers. So this could be also seen an outreach to the farmers, and starting from the Varanasi constituency, from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's own constituency. But of course, the results, the election have just been over. The parties, the BJP will of course pull up its socks, and I'm just not talking about the next Lok Sabha elections, but the next
so
challenge
another
will
important
be the 2027
visit of the Prime Minister
UP
also coming up. Thank you, Tanishq, for joining us.